Over here we are chocolate fans and our lives would not be complete without some chocolate fudge frosting. We eat it with a spoonful. Here you can find our favorite choc fudge frosting recipes for you to enjoy over any cake or cupcake you want. Chocolate fudge frosting. This frosting will stay soft after being piped, but it is really tasty, easy, and fast to make. You only need about 15 minutes. This recipe yields enough for one large cake pan. You will be able to decorate about 18 cupcakes too. Ingredients: 1 ounce of chopped milk or semi-sweet chocolate, half a cup of room temperature unsalted butter, 1 pound of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 cup of milk. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. In the microwave, melt the chocolate chips and butter together in 20-second increments. You can also use a double boiler. Once melted and combined, let sit for 5 minutes until it is not super hot. Step 2. In a bowl, dissolve half of the powdered sugar and cocoa powder into the milk. Add the chocolate mixture to the bowl and mix it in until it is smooth. Step 3. Add the rest of the milk a little bit at a time until you reach the desired consistency. Keep in mind that as it cools it will thicken further. You can revive it with a bit of milk. You can also freeze it and use it later if you so desire. Want it creamier? Try this one. Ingredients: 4 ounces of unsweetened chocolate, chopped, 1/4 cup of unsweetened butter, cubed, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Melt the chocolate and butter together. You can do it in the microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring through each one until combined, or over a double boiler. Whatever is easier for you. Once melted and combined, let sit for 5 minutes until it is not super hot. Step 2. In a blender, process sugar, evaporated milk, and vanilla extract for 1 minute. Add warm chocolate mixture and process for another minute or until it has thickened. Step 3. Store it in the fridge until you need it. Keep in mind that this mixture is hard to pipe, so it is best slabbed over brownies for a double chocolate treat. Do not want it so sweet? Maybe this one is for you. Ingredients: 2 cups of softened unsalted butter, 2½ cups of sifted powdered sugar, 1 1/4 cup of dark chocolate powder, ½ cup of room temperature, full fat, sour cream, ½ cup of hot water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 pinch of salt, 10 ounces of 60 to 70% dark chocolate. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Chop the chocolate and melt it either in the microwave or over a double boiler, and set it aside to cool. Step 2. Using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, beat butter until it lights up in color and is creamy. This will take about 5 minutes. Sift in the powdered sugar with the dark chocolate powder and continue mixing. Step 3. Add the sour cream, hot water, and vanilla at low speed until all the liquids are combined thoroughly. Scrape the sides of the bowl so that everything is incorporated. Do not be scared if it looks a bit curdled. Step 4. Beat on medium to high until smooth, which will take 2 to 3 more minutes. Add the lukewarm melted chocolate and mix until it is smooth and glossy. Step 5. Use it immediately. You only have 30 minutes until it begins to harden. We do not recommend you make it ahead of time. Can you use chocolate syrup? Ingredients: 8 tablespoons of unsalted, room temperature butter, ½ cup of cocoa, ½ cup of chocolate syrup, 3 cups of sifted powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Blend the butter, cocoa powder, and chocolate syrup with a stand or hand mixer on low speed for a minute. Step 2. Stop the mixer to add the sifted powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. Do not do it all at one time, but take turns to add it in thirds. Mix on low until everything is combined. Step 3. Turn the speed to high and blend until fluffy. Now it is ready to use. Get creative with these frostings. We love to add sprinkles on top of them to get a more festive look. We have even gone as far as adding more chocolate chips on top to get some extra chocolate goodness. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.